Hey everybody, thanks for joining my channel today. Quick video demonstration on this leveling sand I got from Home Depot. Half a cubic foot bag, specifically leveling sand. There's 3 or 4 different types of sand you can get, I believe there. It's $4.18 a bag. I think this is about a 20-pound bag, 25-pound bag, something like that. I got 18 bags. Okay, so this is approximately, I don't know, 65, 75 square foot for what I've actually worked with so far. And this is the back shed, of course, of the house. I wanted to level this spot out just because last time it flooded and we're expecting some more heavier rains. So this is a real bad low spot, and moved in last summer, so we didn't see it with all the heavy rains. Of course there was some rain in this, fall and all that, but nothing compared to what we just got about a week or two ago. So I started with this gravel pile. This was just here from the gravel driveway, and I just started throwing that down, and then I got about 18 bags of that leveling sand, which is really dense. So it's got real good texture to it. It's also very easy to rake up, so if you want to manipulate how you need to, you can just rake it up. Most of the spots that I'm looking at is going to be right in here. That's where it's real low, and then as you can see, it's kind of lower over here. But a good start. Always get more than you think you need. Now I got to do back here as well. However, I'm just going to start with the side. This was the worst spot, so I probably need another 15 bags at least for the spot, for the side here. And I'll just kind of go along here and then up against the edge. Drainage is just horrible back here. This is the corner of the neighbor's lot. It gets really bad, so there's nowhere for this water to go. So it's just kind of a mess, and want to do something. Of course, a lot of work, but rather deal with the work than actually having to deal with the flooding again. So all in all, I wanted to show you a little bit too how much you should use. So they recommend on this scale here 1 inch for, if you want to do 1 inch thick, approximately 9 bags for 50 square foot. So I want to do at least 2 to 3 inches. So obviously I need a lot more than that. I'll probably do 10 to 15 more, like I said, for here. And then I also threw down, there was some extra sand back there, and then the gravel pile here. So sand's probably the cheapest option. If you do decide to get this leveling sand from Home Depot, it's $4.18 a bag. If you get the discounted rate, bulk 12 plus bags at once, it says right on the label at Home Depot, it's $3.76 a bag. So approximately 50 cents cheaper per bag if you get 12 plus. So always recommend it to get more than what you think you need. I just didn't want to overload the car too much, and this was a good start, so I didn't know exactly how much I'll need, but here's where we're at, and you can easily rake it in. Very dense sand. So hopefully this helps. I won't really know too much more until after the rains, but it's got to be better than what it was. So all in all, a good start, and then I'll probably plan to put some more topsoil back here as well. But so far so good. Hopefully it holds up. Leveling sand from Home Depot. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And questions, ask below. Please feel free to tell me what you've used for similar projects, what hasn't worked, and what you like and why. And hope to talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.